अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। आज के इस लेसन में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हमारे पास नाउन, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, प्रपोजिशन, कंजक्शंस, इंटरजेक्शंस क्या होते हैं और हम इनको किन सिचुएशंस में यूज़ करते हैं। तो चलिए हम अपने लेसन को स्टार्ट करते हैं। नाउन। अ नाउन इज़ द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग, quality, condition or an action. इसके examples: the name of the person, for example Ravi, place Delhi, thing table, any idea or the joy is fall in an action. They all are examples of noun. Thing can be varies, name can be varies as according to the situation. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of the noun or the other pronoun. For example, us, he, she, they, them. These all are the pronouns because they will take, when they used in the sentence, the place of noun or the other pronoun in sentence making. Next is verb. A verb is a word that shows an actions or the doings. For example, sing, eat, play, swim. These all are the verbs. These are the simple words that shows an actions or the doing of the someone. Next then is adverb. An adverb describe a verb, adjective or another word adverb. For example, they talk loudly. In this sentence, loudly is adverb. She danced beautifully. In this example, beautifully is also adverb. Next is adjective. An adjective describes the qualities or states of being of noun. For example, rainy, fast, silly, huge. These are all examples of adjectives. Then we have prepositions. A preposition links noun, pronoun and phrases within a sentence. Means prepositions are used to make a phrase or a sentence. For example, about, over, in, and on. These are example of prepositions. Now we have conjunctions. Conjunctions links the words, phrases and clauses. For example, and, yet, while, but. These are the simple words that are used. Next is interjections. An interjection is a word that express emotions and feelings. For example, hey, yuck, wow, ouch. These are the simple expresses emotions or the feelings that we used while the conversation. Thank you so much friends. I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Please subscribe my channel for the more important lessons like this. Thank you so much.